Picture this, a monument so breathtaking that it's considered the greatest symbol of love ever built. But what if I told you that this iconic marble masterpiece is just the beginning? Welcome to Agra, a city where Mughal emperors walked, where every corner whispers tales of passion and power, and where 400 years of history collides with vibrant modern India. Today, we're diving deep into a city that's so much more than its most famous resident. Are you ready to discover the real Agra? Getting to Agra is easier than you think, and trust me, the journey is half the adventure. Most travelers fly into Delhi's Indira Gandhi International Airport, just 230 kilometers away. From there, you've got options that range from comfortable to absolutely epic. The Gatiman Express, India's fastest train, rockets you from Delhi to Agra in just 100 minutes. Watching the Indian countryside blur past your window at 160 kilometers per hour while sipping chai? That's the way to arrive. Tickets run around 750 to 1500 rupees, and booking through the Indian Railways app is surprisingly smooth. Prefer the road? Hire a private car or join a tour. The Yamuna Expressway turns what used to be a grueling drive into a scenic 3-hour cruise. Just remember, India drives on the left, traffic is creative, and honking is a language unto itself. Timing matters here. October through March offers perfect weather. Clear skies, comfortable temperatures between 15 and 30 degrees Celsius. Summer? Brutal. We're talking 45-degree heat that'll melt your enthusiasm faster than ice cream in the sun. Monsoon season brings dramatic skies but also unpredictable downpours. Pro tip: book your Taj Mahal tickets online beforehand. The monument's closed on Fridays, and weekend crowds can be overwhelming. Early morning visits, we're talking sunrise, offer magical light and thinner crowds. Worth setting that alarm for. Let's get the obvious out of the way. Yes, the Taj Mahal is absolutely as incredible as everyone says. Shah Jahan built this monument for his beloved wife, Mumtaz Mahal, and 20,000 artisans spent 22 years creating what UNESCO calls the jewel of Muslim art in India. But here's what photos can't capture: the scale, the symmetry, the way the marble changes color from soft pink at dawn to brilliant white at noon to golden at sunset. Stand before it and you understand why love can move mountains, or in this case, carve them into poetry. But Agra holds secrets that most tourists rush past. The Agra Fort, a massive red sandstone fortress, was the main residence of Mughal emperors for generations. Walk through its halls where Shah Jahan spent his final years imprisoned, gazing across the river at the tomb of his lost love. The Musaman Burj offers that exact view, and it's absolutely heartbreaking. Don't miss Fatehpur Sikri, just 40 kilometers away. This abandoned red sandstone city was Akbar's capital for barely 14 years before water scarcity forced everyone to leave. Today, it's a perfectly preserved ghost town where you can wander through palaces, courtyards, and the stunning Buland Darwaza, one of the tallest gateways in the world. For something completely different, explore Mehtab Bog across the Yamuna River. This garden offers stunning sunset views of the Taj Mahal's backside, minus the crowds. It's where Shah Jahan originally planned to build a black marble mausoleum for himself, a mirror image of his wife's white tomb. That plan never materialized, but the view? Priceless. And here's an insider secret: the tomb of Itimad-ud-Dawla, often called the Baby Taj. This intimate marble tomb predates the Taj Mahal and features even more intricate inlay work. With a fraction of the crowds, you can actually appreciate the craftsmanship up close. Agra's accommodation scene spans every budget imaginable, and your choice dramatically affects your experience. For those seeking luxury with a view, the Oberoi Amar Vilas reigns supreme. Every room offers unobstructed Taj Mahal views, and you'll pay premium prices, upwards of 50,000 rupees per night for the privilege of breakfast overlooking humanity's greatest monument. Worth it? If you've got the budget, absolutely. Mid-range travelers look toward Taj Ganj, the neighborhood immediately surrounding the Taj Mahal. Hotels like Hotel Taj Resorts and Hotel Kamal offer rooftop restaurants where you can dine with the Taj as your backdrop for 3,000 to 8,000 rupees nightly. The area is walkable to major sites, and you're immersed in local life. Budget warriors and backpackers, you're in luck. Zostel Agra and similar hostels offer clean beds, social atmospheres, and rooftop Taj views for as little as 500 to 1,000 rupees. You'll meet fellow travelers, swap stories, and save money for what really matters, the food. One crucial tip: book accommodations with air conditioning if visiting between April and September. Ceiling fans won't cut it when temperatures soar. Also, check if breakfast is included. Many places offer it, and it saves time in the morning rush to beat Taj Mahal crowds. Let's talk about Agra's real treasure, the food. This city invented peta, that translucent sweet that's somehow both soft and crystalline, and locals take it very seriously. Panchi Peta is the legendary spot, with flavors ranging from traditional to experimental, saffron, coconut, chocolate, even sugar-free versions. But peta is just the opening act. Agra's Mughlai cuisine will ruin you for ordinary food forever. Head to Pinch of Spice for perfectly executed classics. Creamy butter chicken with tandoori roti, melt-in-your-mouth galaudi kebabs, and biryani fragrant with saffron and whole spices. Esfahan at the Oberoi offers fine dining Mughlai if you want elegance with your flavors. Street food is where Agra's soul lives. The Sadar Bazaar and Kanari Bazaar explode with options. Try bidai and jalebi for breakfast, a spicy lentil-stuffed fried bread paired with syrup-soaked sweet spirals. It's chaotic, it's messy, it's absolutely delicious. Chaat vendors offer dahi bala, papri chaat, and aloo tikki that balance tangy, spicy, sweet, and crunchy in every bite. Don't sleep on Agra's dal math, a spicy nut and lentil snack that's dangerously addictive. Brijwasi near the Taj Mahal is the place to buy it by the kilo to take home. For adventurous eaters, try the local specialty, Agra Ka Peta Paratha. Yes, they stuff the sweet into a savory flatbread. It sounds wrong, tastes unexpectedly right. And here's something special. Many restaurants offer rooftop dining with Taj views. There's something magical about eating tandoori chicken while the Taj Mahal glows under moonlight. Restaurants like Joni's Place deliver this experience without breaking the bank. Pro tip: street food is generally safe, but stick to busy stalls with high turnover. Drink only bottled water, avoid cut fruits from vendors, and carry hand sanitizer. Your stomach will thank you.
So, what makes Agra unforgettable? Yes, the Taj Mahal is the main character. A monument so perfect it seems impossible. But Agra's real magic lies in the layers. It's in the call to prayer echoing across the Yamuna at dawn. It's in the chaos of rickshaws negotiating impossible traffic. It's in the taste of your first bite of perfectly spiced kebab. It's in the moment you stand in Shah Jahan's prison cell and understand that love and loss built this city. Agra doesn't just show you history, it makes you feel it. Every marble inlay tells a story. Every fort wall witnessed empires rise and fall. Every street corner serves food perfected over centuries. This isn't a city that asks for your approval, it simply exists, magnificent and messy, ancient and alive. The question isn't whether Agra will change you, it's whether you're ready to be changed. Come for the Taj Mahal, stay for everything else, leave with stories you'll tell for the rest of your life.